All right, just a quick announcement regarding the Syndicate. As you probably know, the Syndicate is a private, exclusive mentoring licensing group that I started about a year and a half ago. It was in January of 2017 that we got it kickstarted, and it's done nothing but just explode in size and the amount of music that we're getting licensed out there. In fact, this year we've already done 78 tracks. I mean, it's just kind of crazy how much we're doing. We're bringing on new distribution partners, and we have more opportunities, and now we have incorporated some mentors who are also adding to the production tutorials and the feedback and stuff. So it's growing, and it's growing much faster than I ever actually anticipated, which is awesome, and I love that. I'm very excited about that. But as it's grown, there has been a need now to make sure that we have quality control for all new members that are joining. Okay, so up until this point, anybody essentially could join. You just sign up, come on in, and then you get started. Now, hopefully, I don't just put out a link to join. Usually, you're going to have to go through my 5-day training course, or you've probably watched a bit of my YouTube video. So hopefully, I've weeded out a lot of the people that are either, they have misconceptions about the business, or they're just sort of lazy, or they just think that success should be handed to them, like they're not ready to do the work. Usually, those people don't make it to the point of they're not interested in signing up for the Syndicate. And I did that on purpose just to make sure that I didn't get the wrong kind of producer into the group, because I make a commitment to anybody who joins. Okay, so if you're joining, it says something about your seriousness to want to succeed in this business. And so I want to make sure that I can commit and really invest in you as a producer, as a person, to help you succeed. Now, it doesn't work though unless you have the right mindset. Okay, you have to be professional, right? You have to be able to accept criticism and feedback on your music. All right, now I know if this is the first time maybe you've ever gotten feedback, it can hurt a little bit, it can sting a little bit. Come on, let's be honest, we all have egos. I still have an ego. Okay, it's okay to have an ego, but sometimes when you get sort of feedback that maybe you've never gotten before, maybe your entire life everybody around you has just said that you're awesome and you're such a talented musician, you get into a group like this, and myself or somebody else who does this full time says, hey, you got some work to do. There's some things you can do to improve. That can be a real reality shaker, right? And your ego can really get damaged by that. Now, that's okay to not be so excited about getting rejection or some feedback. But then the important thing is that you have the professionalism to rise above that and go, okay, great. I've got some good, solid feedback. What can I do to improve to make sure I don't get that note again? I don't want to get that feedback again. Let me just fix the problem, right? That's the professionalism that I'm talking about. And that's the kind of mature mindset that you must have. And secondly, obviously, you got to be committed to the long run. Like if I'm going to be committed to you, giving you feedback, hosting the opportunities, doing the tutorials, putting this whole thing together, I want to help you succeed in the long run. And I know that if you're thinking you're going to get into the licensing business and get your first placement in a month and then retire, I don't want to invest in you. Okay, you're not the right person for this group. You need to go do like a multi-level marketing operation and try to get rich or something like that, because this is not a get rich quick operation. This is a long-term, continuously hustle kind of a system and strategy that I am employing, because that's the only way it's going to work, right? I wish there were a button or a fast track that I could give you and like, boom, here you go. In a week, you have full-time income. Don't have it. Doesn't exist. Okay. So what I'm going to be doing moving forward, starting probably by the end of this week, is there will be an application that I will put in place for all new people, producers, musicians that want to join the Syndicate. Okay. So it'll no longer be, you could just join and come on in. Before you're even allowed to come to the group, you're going to fill out a brief. It's not going to take you more than 5-10 minutes. It's very brief, but I have very carefully constructed questions. Some of them are yes or no's, but some of them you're going to actually have to type in your responses, but it'll be a guided application process that'll take you 5-10 minutes at the most. But I do want you to have some thoughtful answers about what you're going to do, right? Why are you coming into the group? What are your intentions? What are your expectations? I need to understand a little bit more about your psychology, about your mindset. Now, let me just put this out there though. I don't expect you to have your tracks on par with professionals, okay? If you need some work with your music to get your tracks on par, that's what this group is for, okay? So I'm not expecting you to be there already. I also don't expect you to already understand everything you need to know about the licensing business. Obviously, I educate. I'm here to help you understand all those sort of maybe vague or unsure issues that you or questions that you have about the business. So again, I don't expect proficiency yet. That's what this group is here to help you get, right? It's to get that proficiency. But you can still have professionalism. You can still have a dedication. You can still have a seriousness, a maturity about yourself. And so that I know before you even get into the group, yeah, this is somebody that I would like to work with. And I think they're going to be a very positive, productive member of our team. We are a team, okay? So I've actually collaborated with all the current members essentially right now and asked them, what would you want to have asked of any new member? Because this is just as much their team and more so actually their team than it is mine, because we're all working together, right? To supply our clients, to improve ourselves, to encourage each other. It's a positive, very productive place, but it's only that way, and it'll only remain that way if I start screening, okay? And that's what this is all about, just screening to make sure not just everybody gets into this thing, okay? Only the top of the top. And I don't mean, again, that your music is high quality. You can work to get there, but I mean mentally, mindset, professionalism, maturity. That's what I mean. Those got to be 10 out of 10, okay? And I think if you've watched enough of my videos, you've gone through the free 5-day course, which you can get anytime by clicking below any of my videos, that link's always there. You should know by the end of that 5-day video series if this is going to be a good fit for you, if this group can provide value for you, okay? Not all producers are going to find value in this group. Some producers need to probably go it alone, give it their own shot, right? Go their own path. This is maybe a group for you if the benefits that you'll find out are included with it are really going to help you stay motivated, get encouraged, get the feedback, everything else. You guys know what, I think most of you guys know what you're getting as a part of this group. So I just wanted to put this out there as a sort of PSA. This application process will be implemented soon. So quality control is coming, and it just was, I guess, a matter of time before this had to be implemented. So here we are, a year and a half into it, and it's going to be happening now. So just a warning, not really a warning or anything, but just, I guess, just letting you know that if you do sign up in the future, it's not an instant, all right, cool, I'm in. You're going to have to get through a brief little application screening process, and I will review. Well, what my commitment will be is I will review every application within 48 hours. Okay, so you're not going to be sitting around waiting for weeks or months. So like, oh, when is Jesse ever going to get back to me? I'm very quick, and I will commit that it'll probably be within even 24 hours. I'll be able to check your answers and see what you did. But if I accept, and I think that, like, yes, it seems like we can probably, you know, help each other out, and you're going to actually be a valuable member here, and I think welcomed by everybody, I will send you the link to be able to join, and that's how it's going to work out. So anyways, that's all I had to say today.